Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I take my first trade right here and I will explain why do I take this trade. It's simply because, oh my god, we are going against the trend. I didn't notice this one, honestly. But I took this trade because I really liked this market sequence of having two green candles and I'm really expecting a red one now. You may say, oh, this is not good enough reason, but I have other reasons too, like this is the fair value gap, and this is the order block area, you know, and if I go to lower time frame, you will see there's nice little supply area. I considered that one actually, but it didn't give us the, it was a winning trade because of my entry. It didn't give us the red candle. The reason behind it is that we have this gap down. So basically this gap down is in the favor of buyers and it will still give us the green candle. And if the gap down wasn't here, we would probably have a red candle like this. Okay, it would be a red candle like this, but this gap down just eliminated that one and it gave us the green candle. Okay, so when I take a trade, I do not take based on one reason. I use different confirmations. Okay, so in this particular case, we have this fair value gap, we have the order block, and we have significant support area, which is broken because of this order block and the entries inside of the order block. Okay, just a quick reminder, the sign up for trading competition will start on 30 March. So make sure you join the channel if you're interested to join. There's a preparation course in 2 parts for the participants as well. Participation is also free for everyone. Everyone can join and take advantage of the videos and get involved in the $20,000 competition. Basically $10,000 for the first person, $5K for the second person, and $1,000 for third person. So it's basically a win-win scenario. So if you go to the description, there's a Telegram channel for competition alongside with official Telegram channel, which you can join both of them or any of them you want, and stay tuned for that. All right, I will keep looking for other opportunities. This is a demand area. This is a resistance area. It can be a nice little decision point for us to take. I have to go to lower time frame to see what's going on, but I will just keep looking. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this rejection market. We have millions of rejections right here. I can take some good trades on this one based on the rejections. Let me see. Yes, if it comes up to this area, I will take the trade. Come on. Because it's also, I'm taking multiple trades on this one. At the end of the video, I will try to have a withdrawal request. Because, you know, I'm preparing everything for the competition. And the price of the competition also will be given by me. And the broker didn't really accept to take this sponsorship. So I have to do it myself. All right, I will draw another line. Okay, this is another common point of rejection, which is a bit risky. It's against the market's direction. I believe this area should be broken now. I could take this as a common point of rejection, but there's no enough reasons to take it. Plus, this is against the market direction, so I'm not sure about this. Unless I take a super safe entry, like somewhere up here, which is unlikely that the price will go there. Alright, this is another common point of rejections. Okay, I'm taking this one. Let's go. This one is different compared to previous one that we ignored and didn't take. You can see that the price is moving inside of a huge price channel. And now we are in a drop phase. You see that? So we can expect another, like this kind of movement, the downside, and then again start going up. So this is the, okay, that was a winning trade. So that's the general direction of the market, just like this area. See that? This area, it went up a little bit and then dropped. It's going up and then it can drop because of this supply area up here, okay? Because exactly same thing happened right here. If you look, it's basically trying to copy itself. See this area? Hold on. This area touched. It hasn't touched yet. So I'm assuming, yeah, I'm assuming that the market's trying to come up for this supply and then drop. Then, after touching the support area of the price channel, somewhere down here, again, start going up. Anyways, I will try to keep looking for other opportunities. I'm taking a bit more risk compared to previous trading sessions today. All right. Okay, so this is the trade that we ignored and we didn't take based on this common point of rejection. See, it would be a draw, but this one would be much safer. See, it reacted, this one. So if you have market direction as a strong uptrend, you have to have the better and safer entry always. Basically, if you draw your common point of rejection this way and you have another one this way, obviously this one will be much safer in an uptrend movement. I'll keep looking. There was a doji break and it was in line with the market's direction also. So we missed that. Okay, I'm taking this one. Let's go. Hopefully we're gonna hit the 60K. Again, we have this little gap down right here. Engulfing pattern, needing a retracement. Didn't create a lower low, so everything is with the buyers in this trade. There we go, that was a winning trade. And yeah, we hit 60K. I will try to have a withdrawal request for the competition. Whoa, what's happening? Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I always go with this one. I don't like using bank and stuff for this. Alright, I will fill the... Sorry. Okay. I'll go with 20 for now. This is only for competition. I usually withdraw at 100K. So I'm trying to prepare everything. And I also invite everybody to this challenge. It's pretty fun. 5, 9, 6, 320. What? All right, I got it. Boom, there we go. I got stressed for a Alright, I'm just gonna stop right here. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you in the greatest competition ever. Peace out.